Don't be doing things behind my back again. Well, was that somebody here?
No, it was like in here.
Because I heard it.
You also heard it?
Yes, I thought it was you.
No.
So, on 3, say whether you thought it was male or female.
1, 2, 3.
Male. Yeah. Like he either said something or he coughed. Maybe it was the guy that says he's gonna do stuff behind my back last time. I don't know. He's not allowed to come. No.
You already stay in this building.
Or you can go to God.
Well, I think you have done that already. Good. Just a thought. Yeah, this is dead.
Really?
I'm gonna put this in your pocket.
Well, or the backpack.
Yeah, here, will you? Are you recording while we're walking?
Yeah. Gear change. Man, I'm thinking about all the food I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat some Subway.
Subway?
I'm gonna eat some Taco Bell. That's what they do. They wait until you're leaving.